In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add new vendor to FreshBooks. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and which details to enter so your vendor records are clean, accurate, and ready to use across your bookkeeping. Start by opening FreshBooks and heading to your dashboard. If you're prompted to sign in, do that first. And make sure you're in the correct business if you manage more than one. The dashboard is your home base, and starting here ensures the navigation looks the way I'm describing. Next, look to the left-hand sidebar for the Expenses section. Click Expenses and then choose Vendors. This is the dedicated area where FreshBooks keeps your vendor directory. If you don't immediately see vendors, expand the Expenses menu or scroll the sidebar until it appears. You're in the right place when you see a list or an empty state inviting you to add your first vendor. Now, click New Vendor. A form will open where you can enter the vendor's information. Begin with the vendor name, use the legal or commonly used business name so your reports and searches stay consistent. Add a contact name if you regularly work with a specific person. Enter an email address you'll use for bills or communications. This helps you send purchase orders or follow-up without hunting for details later. If you have a phone number, include it for quick reference. Add the mailing address, including city, state, or province, postal code, and country, so invoices and tax documents go to the right place. If your vendor bills you in a specific currency, set the currency now to avoid conversion surprises later. You can also add a tax or business identification number if you track that for reporting. A notes field is useful for things like payment terms, preferred payment method, or reminders such as attach receipts for shipping charges. Keep notes concise and standardized so your team can follow them easily. Before saving, take a moment to double-check spelling, numbers, and email formatting. Small typos can lead to bounced emails or mismatched records. If you have internal naming conventions like adding LLC or Incorporated, consistently apply them here for cleaner reports. When everything looks good, click Save. You'll return to the vendors list where your new vendor now appears. From here, you can click the vendor to review or edit details at any time, or start associating expenses and bills with this vendor for accurate tracking. That's all it takes to add a new vendor in FreshBooks, quick, organized, and ready for your bookkeeping workflow.